Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Mark Twain, Samuel Langhorne Clemens, 1835-1910. No author in American literature is better known or more loved than Samuel Langhorne Clemens. Born in Missouri in 1835, he grew up on the banks of the Mississippi River and later adopted the pen name of Mark Twain, from the call of the boatmen on the Mississippi as they measured the depth of the river. The river environment inspired the two novels which brought him his greatest fame, Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn. Another book, Life on the Mississippi, told of his adventures on the river boats of that period. It was during the Civil War that Mark Twain's life as a writer started. At that time he was working as a newspaper man in Nevada and California. His short story, The Celebrated Jumping Frog of Calaveras County, was an immediate success and his new career began. In 1870, Mark Twain married Olivia Langdon. He had fallen in love with her picture even before he met her. According to his biographers, his wife had a great influence on Twain's later books. Mark Twain was also a very successful lecturer. His travels around the country giving talks on a variety of subjects helped make him famous and increased the sale of his books. Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn are considered Twain's best works. They are marked by humor and satire and provide his readers with an excellent picture of his era. His last book was completed in 1909, 1 year before his death. He was then 74 years old. Questions. 1. Where did Mark Twain grow up? 2. What was his real name? 3. Name 3 of Mark Twain's writings. 4. How did Mark Twain fall in love with his wife? 5. Besides writing, what else did Mark Twain do? 6. What 2 books are considered Twain's best works? Why?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.